Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can enable cookies on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and also write comments. So friends, let us get down to the topic. And I'll tell you right away if you have cookies blocked or disabled on your iPhone. You may not be able to access certain websites. You'll have limited access. So if you want to have access to absolutely all sites on your browser, then I recommend enabling them. So friends, how do you do that? I'm going to show you that right now. First of all, on your iPhone, open your settings, and then scroll down to the bottom and find Safari. Go to Safari, after which also scroll down to the very bottom and here at the bottom, select Additional. And here you will be interested in this option Block All Cookies. Next, to remove this block, you will need to click on this button. So you'll enable all cookies, and then you'll be able to access any site through Safari. Friends, this is how you can easily enable cookies on your iPhone. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to put your likes, also write comments and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.